Morning. Thank God it's Friday. My day 5 of walking. Samahan niyo ako muli and God will bless us. I declare blessing upon blessing to be upon each and every one of us today. Happy weekend, everyone. Let's walk. Okay. I want to go to the park of Street 12. That is Block 162, Street 12. Malapit ito sa Tampines Central. I saw they have a park there. So dyan ako maglalakad. This is the pa rin ito. Yan yung Tampines railing. And nasa kabilang side ako ng Tampines. They have a nice park here. Dito ako maglalakad, at least walang araw. Yes. Ikot-ikot lang tayo dito. Nakalakad na ako ng kalahating oras from my house to here. It's 30 minutes. So just spend the rest of my time here. Okay, para malibang, tingnan muna natin yung kanilang mga garden. Okay. That's malunggay na may bunga. And that's my precious samsamping. Eh, nag-harvest sila ng alokbati. Ate, aunties there. See, they have sayote. I think that's passion fruit. I'll try to go in. Pwede kayang pumasok. May auntie dun. Later. Lakad muna tayo. See, that's the very good weather. Kanilang garden. Do you know what's that? I know my health benefits din yan. This one is anti-cancer leaf. Lemongrass. Dami nag-exercise. Mahaba pala itong park nila dito. Wow. Even si Uncle nag-exercise sa wheelchair niya. Oh. Let's go and say hello. See, can you see that white cat? Oh. See? Oh, nice. See? People are really taking time to keep fit. See, even yung lolo. This nice surrounding with people. See? Let's keep walking. See? Patiin natin si Muning. Muning! 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 No, 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 no. Hiya siya. Cannot. Wow, so nice. Kanino kayang pusa yan? Oh, so nice. Hello! Hello! Ah, gusto niya ako. Oh, I think thirsty siya. Morning! Morning! So nice. Bye! Bye! Don't follow me. Wala akong pagkain para sa'yo. Cannot follow me. May dalawang aso ako. Sige, mag-aaway kayo. Bye! So cute. Akala ko sasama sa akin. Sala. Uy, sumasayaw. Oh. See? Wow. Oh, galing nila sumayaw, di ba? Oh. Okay, let's keep walking. Good morning, Che. Lakad ka din. Eh, there's another dog. Show you the dog. See? Hello, so cute. Hello. Ah. Is she a he or she? She? So cute, so pretty. Bye-bye. She's smiling. She's smiling. Can you see her? So cute. Sorry. Bye. Okay. One dog, one cat. Cute nila na. Playing basketball. See? Oh. Galing oh. Oh. Nagkarap sila nag-exercise. Talking while exercising. Bilis tumaas ng araw. No pain, no gain. Kailangan talaga magpawis para maging fit. Can you hear that? Train. Okay. Kita ko doon ako sa ano. Kasi mainit. Mainit na rito. I'll go sa silong ng train. Train yun. Train. See how ko sa tayo dalhin. This is Tampines Street 22. Kaya tingnan natin kung ano yung block. Oh, that's block 248. Can you see? Block 248, Tampines Street 21. Okay. Lakad tayo dito sa silong ng MRT. Diretsuhin natin hanggang sa Central. Look at me. Good morning. Okay. Ito na may ano na. See? Yan yung Tampines Central. Mainit. Naiwasan ko yung araw kasi mainit. I think there's another park dito sa banda rito. Sundan natin. Ganda ng panahon. See? Okay. Yan yung Tampines Mall. Tampines Mall. Yan yung Tampines MRT Station, East-West Line. Sarado pa ang mall. At di pwedeng maglakad sa mall. Dito tayo sa labas. Marami nang babike. Yung gilid ng mall. Kalsada. Ganda. Yes, walang araw. Kumusta naman kayo? Marites, kailan ka pupunta sa bahay? Merry Christmas. December 11. Ilang araw na lang. See? That is Tampines Mall. Tagal na akong di pumapasok dyan. Walang time mag-malling. Street 12. Tampines Street 12. I think if I go in here, I can go out sa side doon. Okay. Dito sa Street 12. Wow. Mukhang hindi enough ang 21 days para maikot po ang Tampines. This tree is a mangosteen. Mangosteen. Tapos yan ay santo. Ayan. At sa mangosteen, kaya lang walang bunga. Wala pang bunga. Meron din mangosteen sa amin. I'm just doing easy walking. Kasi hindi ako naka-rubber shoes. Injured yung toe ko. Last night kasi, kahapon, nagtanggal ako ng ingrow. Masakit. Sige, yan ang sampayan dito, Cheo. There. Yan ang sampayan nila. Sampayan. Diyan sang sasampay mga tao. Good morning everyone! Happy Friday! Samahan nyo sa paglalakad. Baybayin natin King Town area. Tampines Town. See, I'm not wearing rubber shoes. I'm wearing my walking sandals. My BMT walking sandals. That's Tampines Secondary School. Wala ang Tampines Secondary School. They changed the pic. Ano kaya meron dito sa street 12? Galing tayo doon. Doon tayo galing na park. Yun. Nandun pa yung mas sumasayaw. Oh. Doon tayo galing kanina. See how small Singapore is. Actually, paikot lang yan. (161) si Street 12. God bless all these people of Singapore. Tampines Street 12. Lahat sila maligtas. Lahat sila makakilala sa iyo anak ni Jesus bilang kanilang Diyos at tagapagligtas. Hey, I can see the road. I can see the road. May hawker center pala doon. 164. Hawker center. Sarap sana magkape. Block 164, Street 12. They have a hawker center. Kakape. Oh. Merry Christmas. Regalo ko sa inyo kotse. Look at the sun. It's out. Actually, gusto ko sana maglakad ng earlier, like 6 or 7. But I have to prepare breakfast tsaka baon. Mag-ama na pumapasok. Bukas, we will go cycling. Day off ni Mr. Arado. Magbabike kami sa Pasiris. So I won't be walking tomorrow. I'll be cycling. See, that's the other side of Tampines. Mga block doon. Next time ako pupunta dyan. Ganda na kasya, oh. Tampines Avenue 2. Tampines Street 12, Tampines Avenue 4, Tampines Central. This way, doon tayo galing. Wala masyado rito, puro mga akasya lang. At least it's not hot. I'm walking back home. Sa gilid tayo ng kalsada. Ano, kalsada. Mahirap paglakad ng malayo pag hindi naka-rubber shoe. Ganda na, parang ano. See? So nice. Yes. Ganda ng mga punong kahoy, landscape niya. Sorry. I'm walking slowly kasi masakit yung paa ko. I'm still sweating though. I'm thinking if babalik ako dun sa park kahapon. Kasi pag lumusot uli ako dun sa Tampines railing, yung silong ng railing ng tren, it will bring me to the park. Mainit kasi pag dito sa kalsada maglakad. At least doon malilim. Pagdating, maglalaba, magsasampay, ganun lang ang buhay ng nanay. Yes. That's the sun. Thank you. Bait naman ni Kuya. McDonald's. Drive-thru. Bawal tayo dyan. Yes. I'm back to where I started kanina sa silong ng train. This is where I started kanina. Block 162. Go well. Go well in your life. Hindi. Balete. Puno ng balete. Nala. Okay, dyan tayo galing. Dyan tayo nagsimula kanina. Yan. Yan. We were there. That's where we started. I showed you that block kanina. 163, 162. The very point where we started. Sana. Tawid tayo ulit. Kaya pa. Sanang mamaltos yung paa ko. That's the Holy Trinity Church. Holy Trinity Church. It's a Catholic church. Catholic church. Maraming Pinoy dyan pag Sabado. Sabado at Linggo. That is Street 11. See? Doon tayo galing. Pag nilakad ko yan, diretso na yan. Pauwi. Tampines Town, Street 22, Avenue 79, Simi Road. Doon ako sa dulo. Let's go. It's green. Bus 39 and 28. Oh, they are repainting. Let's go sa park. Okay. Dito tayo sa silong ng railing. Can you hear that? May MRT. Ay, may train. They're cutting the grass. God bless all these people. I-maintain nila ang kalinisan ng Singapore. Another dog. Hello. So cute. Oh, very interesting. Hindi friendly yung aso, takot daw. Takot sa tao. Parang yung aso namin isa. Dami ibon. Kala ko aso yung dala niya. Okay. Happy watching. Thank you for watching. I'm going off now kasi pagod na ako. I'll walk slowly. God bless you all. See you tomorrow. Bye.